Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by making the area safe and slick. Wash hands and cleanse the navel with saline or mild soap, then pat it dry. Apply a small amount of water-based lubricant to the ring, and the skin so movement is smooth and controlled. Once lubricated, use your thumb and index finger to stabilize the belly tissue on either side, then nudge the ring slowly. Small controlled shifts prevent snagging and let you feel resistance before proceeding. Continue the process by moving the ring in short, steady motions rather than quick twists. This reduces tearing or catching on the piercing tract. Keep checking how it feels. If you sense increased pressure, burning, or sharp pain, pause and add a bit more lubricant to reduce friction. Make sure to work from both sides evenly so the ring tracks along the piercing path. Balancing pressure prevents tissue stretching and helps the jewelry glide without widening the hole. To complete the task, set the ring where it sits comfortably and clean the site again with saline to remove lubricant and debris, then dry gently. Make sure the closure is secure and wear loose clothing for 24-48 hours to avoid renewed irritation. If, despite gentle attempts, you encounter persistent swelling, severe pain, bleeding, or pus, stop and consult a piercer or medical professional. Those are signs of infection or embedding that need trained care rather than more self-manipulation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.